Squeaking brakes can be annoying and even a little worrying. But they often have simple fixes. There are different ways to make your car safer and quieter. One of the most common reasons for squeaky brakes is dust and dirt buildup. Over time, debris can get trapped between the brake pads and the rotors, causing a squeaking sound. Park your car on a flat surface and turn off the engine. Then, spray brake cleaner on the entire brake area, ensuring it is fully covered with the solution. This will remove brake dust and oil. Next, spray a mixture of water and dish soap on the brake area. After that, scrub the area with a brush to remove dirt and debris. Finally, rinse everything with a pressure washer to wash away all the remaining debris. This will help ensure a smoother driving experience. Inspect the brake pads regularly, as they wear out over time. If they become too thin, they may start to squeak as a warning sign that they need to be replaced. Loosen the tire nuts and jack up the car. Remove the tire and then remove the brake caliper. Gently move the caliper out and take out the old brake pad. Apply some lubricant to each end of the pad, then place the new brake pad in its position. Reattach the caliper and tighten the nuts. Finally, put the tire back on, and this should solve the problem. Another reason for squeaky brakes is friction between brake parts. Applying brake lubricant to the contact points of the brake pads and caliper helps reduce friction and vibrations. This prevents squeaking and ensures smoother, quieter braking. If your brake rotors are old, warped, or uneven, they can cause squeaking and reduce braking efficiency. Replacing them ensures a smooth surface for the brake pads to grip, preventing noise. New rotors improve braking performance and enhance safety. After following these steps, take your car for a short drive. Brake gently and listen for any noise. Keeping your brakes in good condition will ensure a safer and quieter drive.